This is year 9 notes. We're in unit 1 and we're looking at percentage increase and decrease. So I'm just going to go with the slow method here to work this out because it works every single time. Increase 360 by 45%. I always start by working out 1%. How do you find 1% of something? You of course divide by 100. So 360 divided by 100 gives me 3.6. I want 45%. So it's 3.6 times by 45. So we would put that into our calculator. 3.6 times by 45. And that gives me then 162. And if we increase, so then we have to do 360 plus 162. And that gives me then 522. Now there are other ways of doing this. There are quicker ways of doing it and you can do it in just one line, but I like this method. Find 1%, find 45% and then add it on. That's nice and clear, I would think. And bank account pays 3.5% interest per annum. I invest £240 in this account at the start of the year. How much money to the nearest pound do I have at the end of the year? Same format as before. 1% is equal to £240 divided by 100. That gives me then 2.4. 3.5%, doesn't matter if it's a decimal or not, it's going to be 2.4 times by 3.5. And that gives me £8.40. So it's an interest account and I've added that on, so it's going to be 240 plus £8.40. This gives me £248.40. We're of course asked to give it to the nearest pound, so my answer then is going to be £248. Decrease 450 by 37.5%. Again, there are other ways of doing this, but I'm going the simple method. 1% is 450 divided by 100, which is 4.5. 37.5%, you may recognize that as being 3/8, but it's 37.5 multiplied by 4.5. 37.5 multiplied by 4.5 equals 168.75. Of course, remember to read the question here. It's decrease this time, so we're going to go 450 take away 168.75. And that gives me £281.25. Sorry, 281.25. There's no mention of money. So 281.25. A shop is having a 30% sale. If a top cost £95 before the sale, what is the sale price? 1% is 95 divided by 100, which is 0.95. 30% is 0.95 times by 30, which I think, what's that going to give? £28.50, I think. 28.50, I think. And you obviously need to subtract that off, so the sale price then is going to be 95 take away £28.50. And that gives me £66.50. So that's the new price.